Here's how to unrestrict someone on Facebook. Now, if you have the Facebook app opened on your iPhone or Android, or if you're on Facebook.com, you can always unrestrict that person. Keep in mind, when you're on Facebook, let's say I go to my brother's account here, and I tap those three dots, you can see I can block this person, but I can't restrict them. Keep in mind, restricting is only for Facebook Messenger or the messages section of Facebook. So you can either go to the messages within the app, or if you're on a phone, you can open up the Messenger app here. And from here, let's say you restricted somebody just by tapping on their name and tapping on restrict. Now, within Facebook Messenger, we can unrestrict them, and this will unrestrict them both on Facebook as well as Messenger, but we need to do that by getting to your settings. So tap on those three lines at the very bottom right, or it might be at the top right or top left. And then from here, let's get to your settings. Within the settings, all you need to do is find midway down that little key and house icon, privacy and safety. And now within here, you're going to choose a bunch of different or see a bunch of different options. All you need to do is scroll down and choose who can reach you and restricted accounts. Tap on that, and there you'll be able to see anybody you restricted. Just tap on their profile and tap unrestrict. Keep in mind, when you do this, it unrestricts them both on Facebook Messenger as well as just Facebook in general. You can start sending and receiving messages. They'll be able to see your posts, etc.